In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp sprints. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Welcome back, everyone! I'm thrilled to have you here for a complete up-to-date guide on using ClickUp sprints, perfect for 2024 and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong grasp of how to enable and utilize sprints in ClickUp to help organize your work, increase your team's productivity, and keep your projects on track. So whether you're completely new to Agile workflows or just need a little help configuring sprints in ClickUp, I'm here to make the entire process crystal clear. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head on over to your ClickUp workspace. If you're already logged in, that just means clicking into the main dashboard where all your projects, lists, and tasks are located. Think of your workspace as your command center. Everything you need is in one place. Now, it's crucial that you're working in the correct workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple teams or organizations within ClickUp. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the exact workspace where you intend to use sprints. This little step can save you a lot of confusion down the line, trust me. Once you've confirmed that you're in the right place, look for the Settings button. You'll typically find this towards the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Give that button a click. When you're in the settings, you should see an option labeled Spaces. Spaces are sort of like folders or categories for your primary types of work. Think about it. Spaces could be for marketing, development, or even client projects. Now, choose the specific space where you'd like to have sprints enabled. For instance, if you're looking to add sprints to your software development space while keeping your HR space untouched, this is the spot to do it. In that particular space, you'll find a section called Click Apps. These Click Apps are extra features that you can activate inside ClickUp, and they include useful tools like time tracking and automation. Look for the sprint icon, which is usually the second item in the list. Don't rush through this step. Click through the options and ensure that you fully enable the Click Apps. This action allows you to access all the features available within your workflows. Now, go ahead and click on the Sprint option. This will bring you to the App Center. If you don't see Sprint pop up right away, simply type Sprint in the search bar. Here's what's really important. Both Sprint Points and the Sprint app itself need to be enabled. Sprint points help you estimate the complexity of tasks. This can be incredibly useful when you're planning your sprint. Meanwhile, the Sprint app allows you to organize tasks into timed sprints. After you've confirmed that these are enabled, feel free to close that tab and make your way back to your ClickUp homepage. Sometimes, setting up new features can take a moment to load, so don't worry if things seem to be thinking for a second. Back on your homepage, navigate to your personal productivity area. This is a fantastic space for managing your own work. But keep in mind you can easily apply these steps in team lists as well. Go ahead and click into To Do, and this is where you'll see how your column setup appears. Now let's add a new column. Type Sprint into the column name field and make sure to enable it. Adding this column is essential as it's how you visually organize and manage sprint work right within your task lists. Just like that, you're set up to include sprints in your tasks. Whether you're planning a week-long feature sprint or a month-long content push, tasks in this column can be assigned, tracked, and moved across sprints. It's a bit like giving your workflow a fast lane so that you and your team can stay focused on what's high on your priority list next. If at any moment you feel confused or things don't work as expected, don't sweat it. ClickUp updates its interface often, but following these steps should keep you on the right track. If you have questions or need some troubleshooting tips, just drop a comment below. If this tutorial has been helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on guides, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments.